or like just middle class. All the three is the working class of any country. So you should never include yourself and say I am working so hard, but why our country is not working so hard? It's because the people in the lower strata of the society and the upper strata of the society, they will not work. A country will become, any country if you see in the world, right? A country is not succeeding when the middle class is shrinking. So why do you think in Europe and all people work 6 hours and 7 hours? Because the middle class is so shrunk. They don't have people to work. So they want to find alternatives. Sweden is saying that, oh, we are working only 6 hours a day and we are all enjoying. What does that mean? It just means that you don't have people to work. My uncle was like, we need to go live in Sweden and New Zealand. The happiness index is so high. It doesn't matter, man. Your country, see, जितना लोग सोचेंगे हम लोग काम करेंगे देश के लिए काम मतलब you don't have to go and die in the war. That means not. It means that you contribute in whatever way possible in whatever part of the system you are in. That means that you give your 100%. हम लोग को 8 घंटे काम करने के लिए कोई बोला तो हम लोग को 15 घंटे काम करना चाहिए. बिकॉज हम लोग डेवलपिंग कंट्री में, हमारे देश में आधा से आधा जो लोग के पास खाना नहीं है. So वो सब हमको सोचना चाहिए. As people, we need to be educated about that. When Abdul Kalam yesterday was saying a superb interview, okay, I wanted to share it with everybody in our factory also. So they asked, what is that in the education system you want to change? He said, primary and higher education, the people choose because it is more passion driven than what is inculcated into them. So I am more worried about the primary system. The primary education system in our country is so bad, where people are not taught about civic sense, about civil responsibilities, about how to conduct
themselves.
That's
what Japan do.
Yeah. So 1 to 15 years mein, a kid needs to be taught. You fucker should not simply sit at home. You should not be given maid this. You have to go and work, man. Working is the most important thing that will take us forward as a country. जो जिसको ये समझ में नहीं आता ना, वो जस्ट रहेगा मरेगा, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. So like हम लोग को पैसा के लिए और जीने के लिए काम करना नहीं चाहिए. हम लोग को एक दूसरे के लिए काम करना चाहिए. And it matters a lot. Like we don't realize this. I don't think majority of the people even realize it. They don't even know. Look at that guy who was just sitting there, for example. Like, is he useful to anybody? I mean, I'm just saying example. I'm not judging him. Is he useful to anybody? Leave alone you being used to himself. मेरा फैक्ट्री में मैं सीधा बोल देता हूँ, देखो भाई तुम लोगों को ओटी चाहिए ले लो. I want hire more people. See, मैं ये काम ना 20 जन रख के कम कर सकता हूँ. मेरे को actually saving है. If I keep 20 people in my factory and run 2 shifts, it is a saving for me. But I wanted to give that extra bit benefit to our own employees, and I told them, see, instead of having 20 people, I'll give you 2 options. Either I have 20 people have worked 2 shifts, or you guys tell me 10 people are enough or 15 people are enough. And you guys are willing to do overtime and cover up the production. मेरे को production losses नहीं चाहिए. As long as I am that you are getting more money, you want to work more, take it. I don't care. And everybody said, okay sir, हमको OT दे दो, हम लोग करेंगे. कभी-कभी हमारे फैक्ट्री में OT करते हैं लोग 80 hours per month, 70 hours per month. But why I don't discourage that? I know the government discourages it. It's illegal to do that. But why I don't discourage that? We as a country should work for each other, man. We should not. It's no more family. It's no more system. It is not. See, given a point, as I told you in the morning also, for the amount of money that we have invested in the company, if I just put it into the bank, I can live a happy life. Go live in one, like, go do snooker every day afternoon. Go get drunk, do swimming. See, वो बात नहीं है. वैसा जीने का है तो कोई भी जी सकता है. उसमें what impact are you making to the society? We are who we are because somebody worked hard.
Right.
It is not because for us we have, like, not everybody can say they're a self-made man. And even if you are even if you think you're a self-made man, somebody gave you that opportunity to be that. So ये कंपनी में भी आप CEO बन गए, उतना CEO सब लोग नहीं बन सकते हैं. Like it means that people are supporting you. There is a board of director that looks at you, that says that okay, somebody is betting on you. Like how I bet on you and you bet on me, somebody is betting on us, right? It has nothing to do with oh मैं अच्छा हूँ इसीलिए मेरे लिए सब अच्छा हो रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है. Facebook जैसा 4-5 ऐप थे. Why Facebook became successful was because the funding was, people decided to fund Facebook.
Right.
So that guy became famous and his story became history. But it is not because he is some great guy. हम लोग क्या ऐसा बिल गेट्स इज अ ग्रेट गाय, सुंदर पिचाई इज अ ग्रेट गाय, उसका फॉल फीट में फॉल करना, ये वो. मैं एक एग्जांपल बोलता हूँ. हमारा वो कृष्णा है ना, कृष्णा ने मेरे को आके बोला सर मैं अभी ग्रेजुएट हुआ, मेरा 13,000 सैलरी में मेरा नहीं हो रहा है. वो फ्रेशर था जब वो मेरे पास आया. 4 महीने ही हुआ था उसका. लाइक टोल्ड मी सर मेरे पास 5 लाख का लोन है. ओके ठीक है, तेरे को कितना चाहिए लोन खत्म करने के लिए? सर मेरे को 7,000 रुपया मंथली वो लोन के लिए देने का है, ये सैलरी में नहीं हुआ. ओके वो मैं पे करता हूँ, उसको भूल जा. तो एवरी मंथ 7,000 आई पुट ऑन दैट अकाउंट फॉर हिज लोन, वट एवर ही हैज टेकन फॉर हिज एजुकेशनल लोन. आई एम ओके विद दैट. उसके लिए वो पैर में पड़ रहा है. मैं बोला ये सब करने का हम लोग इक्वल है. तू मेरे लिए काम कर रहा है, मेरे को तेरा काम अच्छा लगा और मैं नहीं चाहता कि तू दूसरा काम ले ले. तो मेरे को ये भी पता है कि तेरे को लाइक उतना हाइक भी नहीं मिलेगा, बट मे बी आफ्टर 2 years तेरे को मिल सकता है. बट आई लाइक यू, आई वांट टू रिटेन यू. तो आई डोंट वांट टू पे यू दैट सैलरी, आई विल पे योर लोन, नो इशू फॉर मी.
एंड व्हाई यू आर डूइंग दिस? बिकॉज़ कि उसका एटीट्यूड वैसा है.
उसका एटीट्यूड अच्छा है, वो कभी भी काम करने के लिए रेडी है, दिन रात काम करने के लिए रेडी है. बट उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम लोग लाइक ये पैर पड़ना, आदमी लोगों का पैर पड़ना पहले भूल जाना चाहिए. हमारा वही बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम है. ये पॉलिटिशियन लोगों को पता भी नहीं है ग्राउंड रियलिटी क्या है. एंड आई विल टेल यू एंड आई इन द सेम सिचुएशन, वी विल आल्सो थिंक लाइक दैट ओनली. द मेजर रीजन बीइंग हमको पता ही नहीं. ये कमल हासन और रजनीकांत थिंक दैट दे कैन रूल द स्टेट. ओके, उन्होंने क्या किया? आर दे इकोनॉमिस्ट? So people should not be shy to take up work, because there's no point in simply saying we are the country that has the most amount of youth, our population is 25 to 55, but if our youth is not willing to work, what the fuck does it matter whether you have youth or you don't have youth?
You have to work.
Yeah, our youth is not willing to work.
That's the major problem.
That's a big problem for us.
मतलब हम लोग अभी ऐसे बोल सकते जो यंग जनरेशन है अभी, जो फ्रेशर बाहर निकल रहे हैं,
हाँ,
क्या मेजर गलती क्या होगी? मतलब व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक?
A chemical engineer does not want to work in a chemical engineering company because it's labor intensive. A chemical engineer wants to work in a software company. तूने एक like you went into a certain field thinking that back yourself, man. Be the best in it. You'll be paid. Why are you worried about somebody else? Like so udhar jayega, like see, people are looking for always for easy money. Easy money नहीं मिलता है ये देश में ना.
परफेक्ट पॉइंट है ये. everybody is looking for easy money.
So easy money मिलेगा, हाँ ओके. मेरे को किधर में फास्ट मनी मिलेगा, किधर फर्स्ट में बड़ा हो जाऊं. बड़ा होने के लिए मेहनत लगता है. अनिल अंबानी बनना, मुकेश अंबानी बनना आसान नहीं है. वो कितना काम करते तुम लोगों को पता है ना. I know people who have worked the one-on-one, like my father's first cousin, he used to work with Mukesh Ambani. He used to tell me he works more than 15 hours a day, man. और प्राइम मिनिस्टर, you hate him or like him, वो 4 घंटे सोते हैं. The ex-CM of Tamil Nadu who passed away, Jayalalitha, see, corruption and all you can talk. I mean, I'm not saying it's not there. But she used to sleep only for 4 to 5 hours a day. She used to work. She used to read letters in the night. So how many of us we can keep saying like मेरे को बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, मेरे ड्राइवर बोलता है सर मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं. मैं पढ़ने का एज नहीं है, तेरे को सीखने का अभी सीखो. डू वैल्यू एडिशन. मेरा एक ड्राइवर है, वो दूसरा वो जो गाड़ी चलाता है, he came and asked me सर मेरे को सैलरी इंक्रीमेंट दो. मैंने बोला ओके मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता, I'll give you salary increment, but you tell me in what way you can value it to yourself, what you can do extra to the company. नहीं पता, आंसर ही नहीं है. चलो without asking. 1 month bonus every year, 8.33% increment, which is without even asking. So he is asking an increment that is out of the ordinary. So how will I justify that only for him? Other people also ask me, sir, मेरे को भी 15% increment हो. On what basis can I? So if you added a skill, that is something that I can tell. If somebody comes and asks me, sir, उनको क्यों? उन्होंने ये skill develop किया, and I don't mind doing that because that creates a competition. That guy also will learn some other skill. It will be useful for me from today, but tomorrow it will be useful for him also. And skill मतलब it need not be some technical thing. Something, some language learn करो extra so you can contribute somewhere else. इन लोगों को कुछ नहीं सीखने का, कुछ नहीं करने का, सिर्फ पैसा चाहिए. तो मेरा फिलॉसफी वही है. किसी को आगे जाने का मैं किसी को रोकूंगा नहीं. इनको सीखने का सीख लो. Yesterday Anindita asked me, no, I want to do. किसने स्टॉप किया? कोई स्टॉप नहीं करेगा. You want to learn more skills, learn. मैं तो स्टॉप कर दूँगा. मैं भी खुद वही करता हूँ ना.
Right.
Why am I in this? हम लोग ने एक लैब सेटअप करके, because I am curious, I want to know more things. So if somebody else wants to do it, I don't want to stop them. But there should be value addition. आप भी एम्प्लॉय हायर करेंगे ना, ये सब याद रखो.
वो है.